We have a student body called SATU. In full, it's supposed to be Student Association of Taita Taveta University. Just like another university, the students have come together so that they work together, articulate their issue together, and through the Dean, the Office of the Dean of Students, they may be able to meet their demand or pass their demand to the administration. So every year we conduct elections to usher in new leaders, just like national issues. But here we do it on a yearly cycle, not 5 years. And for information, State Council, University Act 2016 introduced a very new system of voting which is not done at the national level. I think they copied from the American system, whereby now these leaders you see here were not elected by popular vote. They were elected by a body we called Electoral College. Now, Electoral College are students who are elected at the department level. After a few days, they come together, conglomerate, then they pick the top leadership of SATU, which is comprised of 7 members: chairperson, the vice, secretary general, the finance secretary, we have academic secretary, we have sports secretary, we have environmental secretary. There are 7. Just 7, yes. So these are now the body that will manage student affairs.